guys, this is Laura with Real Mom Life Hacks, and today I'm going to teach you how we make Vietnamese paper fans. Because sometimes you just need a different kind of craft with a purpose. Pull up some videos, do some research, and learn about Vietnam, and then have an awesome time creating this craft with your kiddo. All right, here we go. Okay, the supplies that we're going to use today, and these are kind of my go-to for pretty much most of our crafts that we do, but for what you need to make these Vietnamese fans, or just a real pretty Chinese fan, is this Fadeless art paper that you will see later. I did get the 12 by 18 inch. It's really big. I like that it's crisp, bright colors, and it's white on one side. I always have a glue gun on hand, the smaller one. Today we're using the plastic knives that always get left over from the kits of plastic silverware that they never get used. Well, today they have a good use. Something to write with, preferably pencil, some scissors, glue stick, glue. I have this bin of sequins, pom-poms, and glitter that is always on hand. All of these things I have found on Walmart or Amazon. The paper I got from Amazon, everything else Walmart, and this is what we'll use. Okay, so first we're going to start with our 5 knives and our hot glue gun to make the bones, you would say. Start off with these 2, flat part on the bottom. And now it is ready for you to cut and paste on the paper. Okay, so what we're going to do now is trace a line along to make a nice round fan. What I'm going to do is take the pencil and I'm going to make a little dot dot for her so that it's nice and round and it's easy for her to trace across. So it's going point to point. So then what she'll do is take her pencil and she's going to trace that dot to dot from the knife point to knife point. Knife point to knife point. There we go. Okay, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take the knives away and cut it out. One of the things, once we remove the knives, I went back through and traced a nicer round line for her so that it's a little easier to color. And we'll go back through and we'll erase so that she's not confused. Okay, she's ready now to cut. She has both pieces of paper and she's going to follow that line. My oldest is holding the paper for her on one side so that they stay together. You can also take little paper clips and paper clip on either side to help hold it together. Very good. So now she has the top and bottom of her fan. If she flips them over, she has the 2 colors. Very nice. So now what she's going to do is lay one of them down with the color side. Yep, we'll start with the pink. Okay, what we're going to do now is she's going to take her glue stick, open it up, and then she's going to outline and cover the entire So now she's placing it, lining it up, pull it down a little bit more, so we don't want the tip of the knife sticking out. And then she's going to add glue to this one and put it on top. So you see here, she has the fan. She's now getting some pom-poms and some sequins to get ready to decorate. I'm now going to show you a little variation with my oldest daughter. With my oldest daughter, we're going to add a variation where she's going to add that see-through part. So she's drawing some little dots in between the knives so that we see those angles poking through. She's going to remove the knives here and then with her pencil draw a line to follow.
No, thank you.
Okay, so now she's going to cut along that line. So for hers, I'm going to have her outline with the Elmer's glue around the edges, and then I'm going to have her go up top to bottom in a straight line. There you go. Then she'll take the knives for her fan, and she'll place it just like Lydia did. And then take the other paper and go along the edges. Pushing it down flat. Now, I do recommend she'll go back through and add glue underneath the edges here. But you can do glue on both of them and then piece them together. So now she has hers glued together. She can go ahead and lift it up, sweetie, and show them both sides. So she has a light and a dark purple that she's chosen. And now so Adelise and Lydia have their products. They're drying right now. Please let them dry. As you see, pom-poms do not stick very well. They need lots of glue and lots of time to dry. When we are done, we will show you the finished product. And here we have Lydia's. Again, also the glitter we will shake off, but we're not going to shake it off until it's all dry. There you go. And there we have it, our Vietnamese fans that the girls have created, all sparkly and beautiful. This is an easy craft you can do at home. The girls or kids can be creative, and also it's a fun opportunity to research and look into Vietnam. So if you haven't already, subscribe to Real Mom Life Hacks so we can share everyday DIY crafts and all sorts of fun concepts to help you as a mother every day.